everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, today it was a different day and a beautiful news story for Dumisani Ngobese, a young graduate from Ukzn who touched many people ngesikhathi evela ekhalami Ngobese on pictures during his graduation. Today, Dumisani Ngobese was offered a chance to dance and smile in his graduation gown. Vuma FM radio personality Zinhle Ngobese organized a beautiful graduation party ebibanjelwe Hilton Garden Inn Hotel eMhlanga eThekwini. Dumisani's grandmother, who didn't make it to his graduation last week because of health issues, was also invited to her grandson's graduation party, and the guys, they even take her to a massage, and the way she was so happy on those videos, you can tell that, you know what, she was over the moon. Guys, this is a beautiful story to tell. We wish Dumisani all the best, and we pray that God may bless everyone abafake isandla ukwenza this day ibe impumelelo. The following video speaks volume about Dumisani's day. Please check it out and leave your comment below. Bye.